welcome back everyone. This is Eizy from Eizy Customizer, and today I have the #1 diva in Japan to review. This is the Vocaloid 01, the Hatsune Miku. They call it the Frame Music Girl by Kotobukiya. She does come with the other version, the Sakura Miku, the pink version of her. Also the same line, the Frame Music Girl. Size comparison with Megami Device, High Grade Gunpla, Nendoroid, Frame Arms Girl Innocentia. And so far, she's a very solid kit. I have no issue on this one except for the color here. Well, actually I'm using a sticker tag to it. Just make it tight fit. This thing is very loose. So in the manual there's a instruction inside that you need to glue a bit just to make the color here doesn't take off pretty easily when you move the head. I will show you guys later. And for the front view, well, we have the front view here, we have the side view, the back view, and the I'm not going to show that one. Before we move on with the articulation, these are the accessories that comes with this kit. Face expression, the first one is the smiley face, second one smiley face looking to the left, and the third one is the happy face. Open hand, grabby hand, pointy hand, fist, and another set of open hand. Water slide decal, and action base. Extra set of arm that can move like that. We have two set of speakers here. This one can detachable, and there's a hole at the back here, and you can put them or stack them like this, or make a single one like so. And this thing is the stand. We have two stands for the speakers here, and there's a music symbol. And for this thing, you need to get your speaker and plug this stand inside, and can make it stand like that. We have plenty of extra joints here. We have the ball joint and also this joint here, and this is for the arm, I mean for the shoulder. And also we have this piece for the hand. This is a microphone stand with the mic itself. There's an articulation here, you can move like that and like so, and this mic can take off like that. These are the extra piece for the legs here, and that has this hole here, you can put anything into it. So there's a replacement, either you can use this one or this. These two round pieces are actually for the arm here. You can swap it, either to use this piece or the black one. This is the back piece behind Hatsune Miku skirt. So it comes with two pieces of this one here. This is the same. The difference is this one has the hole for the action base, while this one doesn't have that one. And for this articulation, well, this piece can fold like that at the back like so, and we have up and down, and then this piece can move too, and just that. So this round piece here are actually the additional speakers for the Hatsune Miku. So these pieces should be like that, and then attached to the Hatsune Miku. There's a pack here, I mean the hole here, and just simply put that in, and then it goes just like that. So revealing the additional speakers, you can expand that one out or just make it covering the skirt like that. It's cool, it's very cool. Moving on to the articulation, we start with the head here. So the head can move up about that far, go down about that far, downward about that far, and then side to side like that, and like so. This one can make one full rotation, because this is using the same ball joint like the other frame of girl. Well, every time I move the head around, this color piece here keeps fall out like that. Well, after you paint everything, I suggest you guys to glue this one on so it won't become like this. Well, this is the straight built one, so this is the only issue when it comes to the head part here. And then for the hair here, we have the twin tail. Her hair can move like that, like so, and can make one full rotation. Same goes with this piece here. And there's no articulation for the ribbon. This is fixed, and the headset is also fixed. For the arm here, this one is using the same design from the Innocentia. There's a inner part here holding the ball joint for the arm, for the shoulder. So this is very solid piece, and the arm can move up about that far. You can go down. You can make one full rotation. This is using the same ball joint. Forward, backward, and this piece here can move around like that, like so, and then the hand can bend about that much. This piece can rotate, and the same articulation like the other frame of skull, like that, and like so, and can do swivel. For the main body part here, the upper part can move forward like that, and backward, not much, just about that far, side to side, just like that. And then for the lower part here, this two piece here can lift up like that, 1 and 2, and the skirt here can move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the back piece here is fixed. It cannot be moved. So, well, for the pants here, she's wearing white one. And for the leg here, well, this is using the same ball joint, as you can see here. Not this one, but this one. There's a joint here, and can move forward about that far, backward about that far, and then spread. This is a nice looking articulation here, and then you can make swivel here, bend like that, and then this piece here can make one full rotation like that. Then you can move this leg fit forward, backward, and then toe bend, and you can do pivot. Back to the alternate parts that comes with this kit. Well, you can use either this the normal outfit for the Hatsune Miku for the arm here, or you can swap it with using this one here, but this one looks pretty weird shape, and just some black piece. And then for the leg here, you can use a flat one, or you can use this one. Has the hole here, so you can attach anything inside using the 3mm hole here. And at the back we have another for the backpack. You can attach anything at the back here. There's a 3mm hole here, and same goes with this one here, but this one is for this piece here, for the the additional speaker for the Hatsune Miku. So just attach like that, and then you get the action base, and then there's a hole here too. You can just simply slide that one in so she can stand and make her awesome looking singing poses. Well, this is Hatsune Miku anyway. And then for her microphone here, just grab the grabby hand. We have one grabby hand here. Just swap it like that, and grab your microphone here and simply put this like that, and she's holding her microphone and ready to sing your favorite song. So you can make plenty of awesome poses like this one, or this one, or this one. There's a lot of their poses that I made, so you guys can check out the Facebook album link in the description down below. Overall, this is a very nice looking plastic model kit Hatsune Miku version. Well, if you guys are a fan of the Hatsune Miku, this is a must get. Other than having the Figma, the PVC figure, the Nandoroid, or whatever merchandise of Hatsune Miku that you have, adding this one in your collection is a very worth it. So that's all my review for this Ramp Music Girl Hatsune Miku by Kotobukiya. If you guys like this video, hit that like button. If you guys curious about something, or maybe want to ask me about anything on this kit, just leave a comment down below. And don't forget to share this video, subscribe my channel, and you guys can also check out my Facebook page as well, Eizy Customizer. The links are in description down below. That's all for me today. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.